Hey guys, welcome to this Shona tutorial where we're going to teach you how to use the conjunction because in Shona sentences. Join me. Well, because in Shona gets translated to the word NEKUTI. 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 We are going to go through a set of example sentences so that you get to understand how this conjunction is used in Shona sentences. Our first example, I do it because I love it. In Shona, this becomes ndinozviita nekuti ndinozvida. I do it in Shona becomes ndinozviita because nekuti I love it. Ndinozvida. Ndinozvida. Ndinozviita nekuti ndinozvida. Next example. He succeeded because he worked hard. In Shona, this becomes akabudirira nekuti akashanda nesimba. He succeeded in Shona becomes akabudirira because becomes nekuti. He worked hard akashanda nesimba. He worked, which is akashanda, hard nesimba. Akabudirira nekuti akashanda nesimba. Okay, I hope it's understandable. Let's do another example. I cannot help you because I am busy. In Shona, this becomes handikwanisi kukubatsira nekuti ndakabatikana. So, I cannot in Shona is handikwanisi. Handikwanisi. That's I cannot in Shona. Help you kukubatsira. Kukubatsira. Because becomes nekuti. I am busy becomes in Shona ndakabatikana. Ndakabatikana. So I cannot help you because I am busy becomes handikwanisi kukubatsira, which is help you, nekuti, which is because, ndakabatikana, I am busy. Okay, another example. Tendai left because he was sick. In Shona, this becomes Tendai aenda nekuti anga achirwara. Tendai left, so left it's aenda because nekuti he was sick. Anga achirwara. He was sick. Anga achirwara. He was, this translates to anga, sick, achirwara. So he was sick becomes anga achirwara because translated to nekuti. Tendai aenda nekuti anga achirwara. Let's do another example. I am wearing a jacket because it is cold. The Shona translation becomes ndakapfeka bhachi nekuti kuri kutonhora. I am wearing a ndakapfeka. Jacket in Shona becomes bhachi because nekuti it is cold. Kuri kutonhora. Kuri kutonhora. I am wearing ndakapfeka I am wearing a ndakapfeka jacket bhachi because nekuti it is cold. Kuri kutonhora. Another example. I want water because I am thirsty. The Shona translation becomes ndiri kuda mvura nekuti ndine nyota. Ndiri kuda mvura nekuti ndine nyota. I want water because I am thirsty. I want water becomes ndiri kuda mvura. I want, it's ndiri kuda. Water, it's mvura. Because nekuti I am thirsty. Ndine nyota. I hope that's understandable. And it's quiz time. So, can you give me a translation of this sentence in Shona? I've actually made it easier for you. I have made 2 options for you from where you're supposed to choose the correct answer from. So pause the video, give it a try, and check the solution afterwards. And the answer is B, which is handikwanisi kukuona nekuti uri kure. I cannot see you. I cannot, it's handikwanisi. See you, it's kukuona. Because, which is nekuti, you are far. Uri kure. Uri kure. Let me know in the comment section if you got this quiz question right. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and joining me. See you in the next one. Ndatenda.